Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss the importance of seven literary works from the Spanish colonization period in understanding Filipino culture and history, which itinatwa ni Jesus, Mahiganting Langit, Urbana at Pilisa, Pasyong Dapat Ipag-alab, Pag-ibig sa Tinubuang Lupa, Ang Dapat Mabatid ng mga Tagalog, and, and Liwanag at Dilim. First, itinatwa ni Jesus. Itinatwa ni Jesus reflects the strong influence of Catholicism which the Spaniards used to control Filipinos. Second, Mahiganting Langit. Mahiganting Langit portrays the emotional and spiritual struggles of Filipinos seeking justice during colonization. Third, Urbana at Pilisa. Urbana at Pilisa teaches the moral and social norms imposed by the Spanish shaping Filipino behavior. And the fourth, Pasyong Dapat Ipag-alab. Pasyong Dapat Ipag-alab symbolizes resistance as Filipino identified which Christ suffering under Spanish rule. And the fifth, Pag-ibig sa Tinubuang Lupa. Pag-ibig sa Tinubuang Lupa by Bonifacio calls for nationalism and revolution against Spanish operations. And the sixth, ang dapat mabatid ang dapat mabatid ng mga Tagalog highlights the harsh realities of colonialism and pushes for independence. And the sixth, Liwanag at Dilim by Jacinto reflects on liberty, equality, and self-governance post-colonization. These works are crucial in understanding the transformation of Filipino identity during Spanish rule, inspiring resilience and patriotism which continue to influence us today. And that's all. Thank you.